Hey y'all, it's your girl Teresa Chantel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I got these bomb butterfly faux locks. They're really beginner friendly, very easy, and I really hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep watching this video. So I got 6 to 8 packs of the Freetress water wave crochet here. You probably won't need the whole 8, but just in case. You're also going to need your crochet needle because it's the crochet method, and you're also going to need an edge control of your choice. I'm just using the Up North Naturals, the castor oil one. So here we are. I already went ahead and braided my hair off camera. They're not neat and they're not uniform, but it's okay. You don't need that for this style. It's perfectly fine. So you're going to go ahead and take 2 pieces of hair from the braiding hair, and you're just going to go ahead and fluff that out, because the fluffier it is, the more distressed it looks, and it just makes everything come together perfectly. So once it's distressed, it's supposed to look very fluffy, and as you can see, I'm just making sure there are no tangles in the hair. And now I'm going to go ahead with my crochet needle. Alright, and I'm going to go through the base of my braid. So just going to go through there. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my hair and put it through that open latch. And once I have it through that latch, I'm going to close the clasp, and then we're going to go ahead and pull that hair through. So when the hair is pulled through, there should be a loop situation happening. And when you have that loop, you go ahead and you start pulling the other side of the hair. So as you can see, I'm taking apart the loop, and then just going ahead and sectioning off that other part of the hair. This is very important. You want to make sure it's not tangled or anything. So once that is through, you want to make sure that there's a seamless motion between the braid and your hair, so it's moving freely like so. And then, so for the beginning part, we're going to take a piece of the hair. I know my coordination is really all over the place. But you're going to take the piece of the hair and you're going to wrap it around the base, preferably around 3 to 4 times, just to make sure the hair is hidden and it looks more uniform and neat. Alright, so this is where we start our faux lock process. So again, don't mind my coordination, but you're just gonna go ahead and make sure your thumb is positioned like right between your hair, the braid and the Freetress hair, and you're just gonna go ahead and wrap the hair around your thumb. This is important because this creates the distressed look, that butterfly effect on the braid. Girl, I was going through it, y'all. This was my first time and my coordination was all over the place. But yeah, as I was mentioning before, you just want to make sure you want to go around the hair, around that thumb, so you can have that distress method and have that butterfly effect going on, so you can have the desired look. So now we've gotten to the end of the braid, and this is important. So I put my thumb in between there, and then you're basically gonna wrap it in the reverse way with your thumb there, because that creates that lock look that we want. And then once your thumb is there, you remove it so it has that lock look in place, and then you just proceed in wrapping the excess hair in the opposite direction of what you were wrapping it in before, but still having the thumb in place to create that distressed butterfly effect. I know, guys, my coordination is off, but trust me, it will pay off in the end. Okay, so once we did all the excess until the end, right up until the top, just make sure that you're just doing that in the same motion so it is uniformed and the hair will stay in place. So once you're done getting it all the way to the top of the base, you don't have to worry about tacking it down or anything, because the way how this hair is set up, it like naturally locks into place, so the hair really doesn't move. So once you're done, it just stays put, and there you go. Hey guys, so I just went off camera and I finished basically the half side of my head with these locks. They are really desired look of what I wanted. I'm so excited, as you can see it from my face. So now we're just gonna go ahead and start the other section. So I'm just putting my hair up that I want on my face, and we're gonna proceed with the same method. So fluffing out that hair and going ahead with our crochet needle, putting our hair in place, winding it up so it can fit in the crochet hook. We're gonna pull that hair through just like so, and we're gonna make sure we take that loop out and make sure that our hair is moving seamlessly. And we're just gonna follow that same procedure as we did before. So we're just gonna wrap around our base once more. I'm just getting that hair out of my face. So wrapping around the base again around 3 to 4 times, just to make sure that it looks, you know, a little bit neater without having the braids showing. And then we're just gonna proceed and lock our hair. As you can see, my coordination is a little bit better here because at this point I kind of gotten used to the motion, just making sure that my thumb is in place, so I am creating that butterfly effect. And yeah, I'm just gonna take it up from here, and then I'm gonna go ahead. This is where I kind of messed up. Pay attention, guys. Make sure you're seeing where you want your lock to stop, because I kind of like got ahead of myself here. But as I mentioned before, this is how we're locking the hair in motion, just to make sure that it has that lock look that we want in place. And then we're just reversing the hair in the opposite direction. So here we are on our final lock. So I just wanted to show you again. So we're just pushing the crochet needle through the hair, putting the hair in the crochet latch, pulling the hair through, and we're going to take out that loop and pull one part of the hair out, as you can see. And then we're just going to make sure there's a seamless motion between your braid and the hair. So now I'm going to proceed again with just wrapping it around the base. Again, 3 to 4 times is preferred, just to make sure it's uniformed and neat. And then once we're doing that, we're going to start the process of locking again. Remember, it's really important to have your thumb in the hair just to make sure we have that distressed look going on. And you just continue that motion until the end of your braid. So right here, I'm just measuring, make sure it's the same length as the front one. You know, I kind of messed up on the other ones, but that's okay. So I measured it, and I'm gonna lock it with putting my thumb in the bottom of the base as well, and then wrapping it in the opposite direction to just make sure that the lock is complete. And remember, once it's locked, you don't have to tack with anything. The hair just falls into place like so. I'm just reversing the hair in little last methods, and yeah, that's basically it. The hair is now complete. I'm just fixing 1 and 2 stuff. And now the most important part, ladies, you make sure you oil your scalp. So I'm just here oiling my scalp with my wild growth hair oil just to make sure that my scalp is protected. Remember, this is a protective style at the end of the day, so you want to make sure that our scalp is moisturized. So right here, I'm just playing around with my hair, seeing what style I like the most, you know, flipping it over, just figuring out what to do to flatter my face, you know, girls just going around it, but I'm really happy with how the locks came out, you know. So I just decided to put it up in this half up, half down style. I thought it'd be really, really cute, you know, just because I was still figuring out, and I was gonna do my makeup anyway, so I wanted the hair out of my face, so I'm like, oh, might as well just do in a half up, half down style. And it came out so cute. I just love how it kind of still has that youthful look, but still grown and cute at the same time. So now I'm just gonna go in with my edge control, and we're just gonna fix up our edges, hunty. Hey guys, so if you're here, you got to the end of the video, and this is the end result. I decided to just, you know, put it up with a little cute scrunchie that matched my top, because you know, if you know by now, your girl loves some neutrals and some browns, and decided to do this little cute style with like having 2 locks out and having a half up, half down situation. I'm really impressed for my first time doing this here. Like I've been seeing it for months, and I've been trying it, like tweeting like, I want to try this, I want to try this, but like I was so scared, but I took the plunge and I did it, and this is the results. I do want to say though, if you're gonna do this style, learn from my mistake, try to pay attention to the length, the desired length of your hair. I didn't think I did too bad, but like as you can see, some of them are longer than some, because I was just like twisting and twisting and twisting and going, but I was able to finesse it to make it look how I want it to look. So just a disclaimer, if you want to do a lock, like a bob lock, just pay attention to the length. But yeah guys, this is what it's looking like. You know what I love about this style is that it is distressed butterfly locks, so they don't have to look uniformed. I'm not like the greatest like hair savvy, like I like to try new things every now and again, but like I'm not an expert. So I found this style is really beginner friendly, and it doesn't have to be uniformed and neat. It still has this distressed look, so it looks like a little natural and like rugged, which I really love. Let me know what you guys think of it. Leave your comments down below. I want to see what you guys think, if you guys are interested in trying this hair. So thanks so much for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe guys. We hit 50 subscribers the other day, and I'm so grateful. But let's keep the train rolling, you know. Let's share who you need to share with. Subscribe guys. I really appreciate every one of you guys that have subscribed so far, and let me know what more do you want to see from me. Do you want to see me try more protective styles? Do you want to see more makeup, more natural hair, more hauls? Let me know, y'all. Just drop it down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye y'all.